Hey, this is Tony Hill. I'm a personal and small business credit coach, online marketer, YouTuber, automotive consultant, and real estate investor. Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit, where this channel is everything credit. Um, Look, it's going to be a short video. This video is basically proof on removing hard inquiries and using my new blueprint masterpiece. I just kind of wanted to show you guys this. So if you're going to get anything out of this video, hopefully you'll get the fact that you can do this. It does work. Don't let people, tell you that it won't work, because it does work. I've been doing it for a long time. Definitely check out my other videos on removing inquiries, especially within 6 hours, online. And sometimes, like this client, when they have a lot of them, it might just be a better way to go by mail. So this video is actually showing you the disputes that I've done by mail and the results. And most times when they pick them up, once they get them that day, they'll be deleted that day. So look, before I dive into this video, hit the like button, hit the notification bell for upcoming content. Make a comment if you like, and share this with your friends and family if you think it's something they can use. And most of all, please subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate you being here today. So look, and once again, this video really is you are able to do this. It's gonna go a lot quicker with Experian. You'll probably see other creators out there talking about Experian, but it also happens on Transunion and Equifax too. You just have to be a little bit more diligent. You might have to send 2 or 3 different disputes with your dispute query form. So look, I just wanted to show you this. I think I got 28. Unfortunately, the customer had quite a few inquiries, but I got 28 inquiries off, and I just want to show you. So each one of these are 10. So that's 10. Okay. Then this is another set. Okay. That's another 10. And you can see 11, 10, 9. So each one of these is a different, and that's I think it's 8 in here. But that was 8 inquiries that opened by the time they got it in the mail on September 11th. So let's just keep going. So the same day, you see where it says updates? All of those updates are deletions. Let's go another one. Updates. Let's go another one. Updates. And then also too, I just want to dispel something too. People are always talking about, and I see some of these credits say you're going to get 30, 40 points from inquiry deletions. Look, I've been doing this a long time. Sometimes you may not get any points for deletion. So don't put a lot of stock into that. Even the 13 points here, it may look like, but this same client had some utilization change too. So, who knows how many points in there, but it was a majority from deletions, because I've deleted 20 inquiries, and some of the clients' credit report scores or credit scores didn't change at all. So don't put a lot of stock in that. Delete all these inquiries and get a big credit, get a big score jump. It just doesn't happen. It's not realistic. So wanted to prove to you that the blueprint masterpiece does work. Also, let me just show you this real quick. This is another one. So basically, this client, August 25th, had 32 inquiries, and I didn't put them all on here. I just copied and pasted and kind of protect the client's inquiry. And then it updated on September 30th. So August 25th went from 32 to 15, got 17 inquiries deleted. You say, okay, Tony, how do I know that it's the same client? So a major financial corp, which most of you guys know as My Jewelers Club, August 8th, removal date September 6th. Scroll down here, August 8th, September 8th, 22. Same client. And you see the difference when the days, 25, when I did the dispute and when it updated. Okay. Here's another one, more recent one. Had 10 inquiries. done on the 21st, and then updated November 27th. Now they got one. You say, Tony, how can I tell this is the same client? Finger Hut, February 15th, March 15th. Come down here. I'm sorry, they had two Finger Hut. April 21, May 21. Okay, so that Finger Hut got deleted. And then this one is the same. April 21, May 21. So this one stayed. And let me I'm gonna give you guys a real cool little secret. At the end of the day, if you have multiple inquiries with the same company, you can actually claim one of those and dispute it as a duplicate. So claim one, dispute the other ones as a duplicate. Cool little secret. For all of you who stayed with me to the end of this, I'm glad you picked that up. So it's my little secret to you guys. But yeah, so let's say for instance you got, and I see a lot of people use factual data, which is, pull mortgage stuff. They'll have like 20 factual data. So, you can use my blueprint masterpiece or whatever you using for free. And what you do, claim one and dispute that the other ones are duplicates. You can certainly do that. So thought I'd drop that to you. But hey, I just wanted to drop that to you, show you that the blueprint masterpiece is working. If you want to pick that up, click the link below. Having really good results for my clients, and for a lot of you guys who've been picking it up, thank you. And I've been getting a lot of feedback that you guys, it's working well for you too. So look, Tony Hill, making sense of credit. Stay 6 feet, 8 feet back, wear a mask. We're still in the middle of this coronavirus, and y'all be safe. I'm going to come back to you with another video about the facts of hard inquiries and kind of, stuff to look out for. And I know it's people are voracious about inquiries right now. I'm not sure why. I think a lot of people are in tough positions, financially, and they're trying to go after a lot of different, financing, whether it be credit card or loans. So I'm getting a lot of clients with a lot of inquiries. So, but anyway, I'll come back to you with another video based on inquiries. But until next time, guys, peace. Don't forget to subscribe.